Are you seeing this? You can hear the sirens and everything. God bless the souls that live on that mountain. And this is just horrible. The thing is, it's right next to my neighborhood. That's the part that scares me. That really scares me. I just got off the bus after the second day of school, and that's happening all of a sudden. What started it, I may never know. But I'm checking the news channel on the phone that I'm recording with right now. Again, God bless the souls that may have been lost on that mountain.